Hi, good morning everybody. I shall update. Well, today is Friday. The time now is about 7:05. So now what I'm going to do is I just have my breakfast from the hotel which is just right in front of me. I'm going to the meeting point for my day tour. Today we are going to Bruny Island. It will be a full day tour. The weather now is actually very cold. It's about 8 to 9 degrees, despite that the sun is out. So I'm just standing in the sun, so you don't really feel that cold with the sun shining on you. Very, very cooling and very, very short. So I hope to have a good day ahead, and more will come later on when I reach the island, which I'm going to take a cruise and then visiting farms, orchards, and some of the live fishery farms. Okay, so I shall update from now, and more will come later on. Okay, bye. Hi, good morning everybody. The time is about 8 p.m. Where am I right now is actually at the wharf, preparing to take the cruise to Bruny Island. Now this is a short break. So now you can see that behind me there are many yachts, ships docking, and I think the island is just ahead of me. I'm not very sure. So even though it is sunny, but it is extremely cold. I think around 9 or 10 degrees, but very refreshing, very short. So enjoying myself very much. So looking forward to another great trip. So let the camera roll, and while I explore this area. Okay, bye. Hey, good morning everybody. The time is about 8:30 a.m. in the morning. So now, as what I was telling you earlier on in my earlier video, I'm now on board the so-called the Eco cruise that will take me to Bruny Island. So this is actually a very short ferry trip, I would say, about 20 minutes. So now I'm enjoying the nice scenery. As you can see, clear blue sky, green mountains, and very, I would say, crystal clear water. So you don't really feel like ship fainting, okay, or seasick. It's very, very enjoyable, very refreshing and cooling. So enjoying the cruise. More will come later on as I reach the other side, which is the Bruny Island. Okay, so meanwhile let the camera zoom in again to show you the surrounding area. Okay, bye. Hi, good morning everybody. I'm now at the Bruny Island. This is actually the first stop. Actually, it's a cheese maker, cheese manufacturing plant. Actually, I went down earlier on, very nice particular. I think this is the first time that being listening how to make cheese. Very nice setting. You can see that this small in the greenery, trees, grasses, good weather as well. So not as cold as in this morning. So we're now going to head to the next destination. I think it's some of the oysters farm or abalone farm. Hopefully I will have some great tasting later on. Okay, so more until I come later on, and let the camera zoom again to show you the nice ambience. Okay. Hi, good morning everybody. I'm now halfway through the Bruny Island. I'm not very sure what is the name of this place, but it looks like more like a lookout location, but very, very beautiful. As you can see behind me, the very beautiful and crystal clear sea water and the clear blue sky. I was told that if on my left, to this side, you're going to Port Arthur, but ahead of me at this direction, if I move forward, I'll be reaching New Zealand. So it is like so near the place, between Tasmania and the northern tip of New Zealand. So if I were to walk ahead of me, you can see very beautiful mountains, greeneries, of course very nice ocean. So of course on my left, if I'm going to walk up all the way up, you will see a very spectacular and tall lookout where I can have a very good bird's eye view. I'm not very sure whether I want to go up or not, because this is only a brief 15-minute stop. Even if I make it all the way to the top, I may not have sufficient time to walk down and continue with my next destination. So I'll try to maybe walk halfway, and then yeah, so far so good. The weather now is quite cooling, not very cold as this morning because the sun is very, very sunny, so very short. Okay, that's all. Catch up with you guys shortly. Bye. Hi, good afternoon everybody. I'm now at this place in Bruny Island. I'm not very sure of the name, but it is near one of the beaches. I was told by my guide that it's very famous. So you can see that the waves are very huge today. Okay, I think maybe high tide, I'm not too sure. Because there's some drizzling right now, this part of the sun. So you have the kind of feeling that it's cold, but not that cold, sunny, but it's very cool and refreshing. So let the camera zoom and show you how vast this area is, the nice beaches and then the waves, and from afar you can see the mountains. And then I was told that if you go beyond this point and if you move on further down, much further down, you reach New Zealand. Wow, that's Tasmania. Okay, so I shall update and more updates to come later on. Okay, bye. Hi, good afternoon everybody. I'm now at this Bruny Island berry farm. Well, this is actually the main store where you can go in to have a fresh make berry ice cream. I was told that it was very nice. And actually this is a plantation where you can pick your own berry. I think it's raspberry and strawberries, which is just right behind me, which early on I took a walk. But anyway, we're going to head for lunch soon, so I didn't really have the ice cream. But nonetheless, you know, when I'm in Melbourne, I'll have the chance to pick my own berries again. So I'll give this place a miss. Having said that, this is a very nice place, and in front of me is actually, you can see the mountains and the sea, greenish blue color, very nice. And the entire ambience is great, okay, because of the flowers and everything. So I enjoy everything. So let the camera zoom and as I explore this place again. Okay, bye. Good afternoon everybody, I'm now at Bruny Island again. This short update, I'm not at this fresh oyster farms. So this place is very famous for oysters, fresh oysters. So right in front of me, you know, I ordered 6 pieces of oysters. They are very fresh, juicy, sweet. Well, I'm not going to talk so much. I want to enjoy my oysters. So what updates will come later on, okay? Bye.